Hello and welcome. This is Scientist Sarah speaking, and today we are examining the scientific method, the way that scientists discover and evaluate questions that they have, because we all have questions, and most of them start with why? Something piques our interest or raises a question, and we want to observe and wonder where that question is going to lead. Like, why is the grass green? Why do we have to wear shoes? Why do cats purr? Why is the sky blue? So many questions. But with the scientific method, we can answer those questions. So today, our goal is for the person watching to understand the scientific method and, give an example, use it. So our questions are going to lead to big answers. And those answers are what we get to find together. So how do we answer questions? Do we just guess? No, we follow the pattern. We use the scientific method and trial and error to evaluate our questions and to follow the right path. So our scientific method actually has 6 steps. We have to observe, ask a question, form a hypothesis, predict based on that hypothesis, test and refine that hypothesis. So if we say sunflowers follow the sun, that is our observation. Our next one is a question. Do all flowers follow the sun? A hypothesis should be simple and clear, written as a statement, and establishes what exactly we're asking, and it needs to be testable. So our hypothesis, an estimated guess, is that all flowers are going to follow the sun. Is that right? I don't know, but we're going to find out. So we make a guess, a prediction based on that hypothesis. So we're going to test rose, poppy, daffodil, and lilies to see if they follow the sun. Next, we do an experiment. And in a lab, we can do an experiment, but labs are not the only place that we get to test our hypothesis. Like, we could go outside and look at all these beautiful flowers. And we are going to collect data. That data is going to be both collaborative and quantitative. And when we get that data, it's going to decide where we need to do from there. If we need to do more tests or if we need to ask a different question. Then we're going to review our hypothesis. All flowers follow the sun. What does our data say? No. So it's time to refine our hypothesis. And this is the best part. We get to try again. And trying again is the best part because we get to decide, okay, this didn't quite work. How can we do it better? So the solution to our question today is heliotropic plants are diurnal. They are awake and follow the sun, but not all flowers are diurnal. Now, there are other experiments that you can do, and no experiment is ever wrong because you get to try. So these are just a few of my favorites. The glowing water experiment, the apple experiment, the roses in different colors of water. Ooh, pretty flowers. This is an experiment with water to see if it can change different colors of water by having a string there. The osmosis lab. So you put gummy bears in different solutions. So interesting. Well, many thanks for watching us today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget to question everything. Thank you.